Today we're gonna make tortillas. This is the Mamma Mia version. I never made mooncakes before. Paul said she didn't want to help me make mooncakes. You want to help me make mooncakes at home? Shit, you help me make mooncake. Every mooncake recipe that I've seen has this syrup with lye water. A cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, alkaline solution. It's gonna give it a nice golden brown color. Bring this to a boil for 5 minutes. I'm making it Cantonese style, yut bang in Mandarin. Yeah. That's hard for me. When I went to Shanghai, they had more of a flaky pastry. Shanghai's my second home. 我是上海人，这位。Okay. I'm not making so much because this is a treat, and you know, most mooncake recipes that I've seen, they use some type of neutral oil. My father, he's from Sicily. Mamma mia! All their baked goods are so delicious, especially the cannolis, and the shell is nice and crisp. And I asked them what the secret is, and they said strutto, which is lard. I'm gonna use butter instead of oil, and I know it's not traditional. See how it is, like this, butter block in there. I always put my unique spin on it, but it's important to know the story and the origin of where things come from. If your kitchen's dirty, then you're gonna make dirty food. This syrup, sugar cane strip, white granulated sugar too, half cup of water. Put this on the stove top until the sugar dissolves. I had an idea. Mamma mia! Look, you want to see me pour chocolate chips in here? No big deal. These are small ones. Oh, be very, very careful. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now I'm not measuring. Over my syrup because I'm so smart. Make sure you use a heat-proof bowl. Boom. Now shut this off. Throw in some peanut butter in there. Mix this around. Right on top. Dough, flour, and butter, 140 milliliters. A teaspoon of this lye water. Throw that in. You gotta feel it. Ooh, it's warm right now. It doesn't even come together. It's so oily. Bless it. Put it in the refrigerator to just chill for 1 hour. 你興唔興奮幫我整月餅，婆婆？
Yeah, 但我好興奮。
你講大話，你唔興奮。Papa's acting. We bought green bean paste because I asked Papa if this was lotus seed and she said yes. But who cares? Go out, portion it out. It's like a pizza, mamma mia. Make these into more balls. 我凍咗你好耐，婆婆。
買嗰個工場
買到
啊！乜咁靚啊呢啲啊？點整啊？你話擠啲 flour 喺呢度，一係整3個一齊。Yeah.
And this wooden board, I went to Guangzhou, China and bought it. Put on the street, okay? No Amazon.
咁整扁佢，
Yes.
攞個吹，我未曾整個吹，攞個吹一陣間就咁擠落 oven 咯。
Yeah.
你咁實喎，如果真係整得好實咧，I don't know.
Don't know.
Push.
Let's see how this comes out. I'm praying, mamma mia.
出嘅。
Oh.
Mamma mia!
Ow, I cut myself, mamma mia. 你講